Alright, what is up you guys? I am here with my final pay-per-view unboxing. This marks completing my pay-per-view collection, which you will get an updated one. I'm going to do my whole collection, 1999 to 2017, tomorrow, after I get No Mercy and Hell in a Cell. If I can get it early, hopefully. But, this is the last one I needed. To complete my individual collection of individually released pay-per-views. So, one more. Let's get right into this. We have Vengeance 2002. There you have it. That marks the last one that I needed. Here, let me open it carefully, because I do want to put it back in the wrapper, because this is an extremely rare pay-per-view. Alright. If I can get it without tearing the wrapper. There we go. Alright. So there we have it. Vengeance 2002. Open her up. This is the US release, so this is the rare version. Awesome artwork. This spine is beautiful. Just look at that. Holy shit. That is a beautiful spine. Damn. But yeah. There you have it, Vengeance 2002. 3 hours and 15-minute runtime. And I will do a review of this. I'm going to do my Vengeance collection, so we'll get to that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, updated pay-per-view video tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.